spokesperson
Sir,
nila.
how would you describe the closing statements of the Defense Council?
Oh, sayang. Dito si Attorney Sal eh.
What?
Live tayo, live.
Sir, how would you describe the closing statements of the Defense Council?
The Defense Council? I
Yes,
thought
sir,
you were
yes.
going to ask me on
Him
the...
first, the other sides later.
There was a vigorous attempt.
Wait lang. Pwede tayo mag-live?
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
There was a vigorous attempt on the part of the prosecution to redeem itself
Na-live ko si...
from following its catastrophic fall on its submission, owing to the defense, incisive defense. But as I said, I think it has become beyond salvage or redemption. So I think it's humanly inappropriate for me now to trash on the shattered pieces.
What made you say that na hindi na siya salvageable, sir? What do you think is the point in their
I
argument?
think I've already explained myself yesterday and I don't want to repeat myself.
Mag-live kami ni Attorney Sal.
Sir, when it comes naman doon sa performance ni Attorney
Pa-interview mo
Kaufman,
kaya...
how would you describe his closing statements?
Wala na tayong ano sa center.
Were you satisfied with his performance?
Parang
Kasama naman
uulitin ko na.
si Attorney Sal.
As I've already said, he has rebutted all the allegations of the prosecution, and in fact, bagsak na nga eh. So parang kalabisan na, naapakan ko pa yung mga nahulog na mga pira-piraso. Alam niya na yung gusto niya.
Attorney Panelo,
Ayoko nang dagdagan.
Attorney Panelo, what's your reaction, sir, doon sa later part ng kanyang closing statement with respect doon sa engagement niya kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte?
Well,
Sa loob ng
he
detention
was only relating what transpired between him and the former president, the conversation. I think it is also, the court has the right to know what is happening with the president.
Dito tayo ngayon,
Sir,
guys.
based on his description, would it be fair to say that the president seems to have a defeatist attitude during their conversation?
Not defeated. As he has repeatedly said, even when he was still president, and then thereafter, he said, if this is my fate, so be it.
Attorney Sal, what's your comment dun sa prosecution and counsel submission about sa continued detention ni dating Pangulo na sinasabi pa rin po nila he still has the influence, the support of his yung supporters po, even citing yung mga ginawa po ng Duterte supporters.
I think the defense has already made its position on the matter. He said it has no objection to the continued detention because there is an appeal on that matter. So I don't think I have to deal with that.
So what's the plan na po ng Duterte lawyers moving forward after this confirmation?
Uwi na.
Uwi na, sir.
Uwi na kami.
Okay.
Uwi na kami.
Kaya medyo naging...
And hopefully meet with the Vice President and exchange views on the outcome of this hearing.
Sir, if may takeaway po kayo dito sa 5-day na hearing na to, meron po ba kayong masasabi?
4-day.
4-day kasama po yung break po. Ano po yung takeaway ninyo kumbaga sa buong session na to?
What do you mean? Anong take? Nasabi ko na nga yung yung position ko sa nangyari eh.
Sa mga nakita niyo rin pong reaksyon sa mga tao at pati ganun din sa mga final closing statements po, both
Tapos
assessing
na,
for
I've already
persecution.
said it kahapon pa eh. Ayoko na nga ulitin. Ayoko na apak-apakan pa
Sir,
yung...
did the Vice President ask
Huh?
for any updates from...
Wala pa, wala. Hindi pa kami nagkakausap.
Okay, so ito pala ang pag-uwi niyo, sir.
Ah.
sa Philippines.
Parang maano kasi madrama.
Thank you,
Ano
sir.
po,
Sa-
sir?
Sa live tayo kaya.